Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach about types of operating system. Types of operating system. Now, Information Technology, Part 18, Class 9, Unit 2, Operating Systems. Types of operating system. Types of operating systems. There are several operating systems available in the market today. There are different types of operating system are available in the market. Now, first of all, we discuss about interactive operating system. Interactive operating system. And interactive operating system has a graphical user interface that contain graphics, icons, buttons and menus. In this type of operating system, that commands are given using a pointing device such as a computer mouse. Most of the tasks or functions can be performed by a simple click of the mouse. Example of an interactive operating system are Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 8 Mac operating system X. Today in the market there are different types of the operating system are available. We discuss about the interactive operating system. What is interactive operating system? Operating system has a graphical user interface that contain graphics icon, buttons and menus. In interactive operating system, there are graphical icons, buttons are available. In this type of operating system, that commands are given using a pointing device. Using a pointing device such as computer mouse. With the help of mouse, we can click icons, graphics to perform a specific task, a specific function. Now, there are different types of the example of the interactive operating system. Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 8 Mac operating system X are the different types of the example of the interactive operating system. And now this is the interactive operating system. Now we discuss the next topic. Now our next topic is real-time operating system. Real-time operating system. A real-time operating system processes the input very quickly. A real-time operating system processes the input very quickly. The response to the input is almost instantaneously. It is generally used in complex system where there is a consistent flow of input and the computer must respond without and delay. That means a real-time operating system processes the input very quickly. It works very fast. If we give the instruction, it performs the function very fast, very quickly in the real-time operating system. Aircraft and rockets, for example, use real-time operating system. A real-time operating system is used in aircraft and rockets. In this type of operating system, work fast very quickly and it responds and it give result very quickly. So operating system is used in rocket, aircrafts, etc. Now we discuss the next topic, distributed operating system. Our next topic is distributed operating system. Distributed operating system. A distributed operating system runs on a set of computers that are connected together in a network. In a distributed system, the resources such as CPU, memory, files, database, applications, and devices are distributed among several computers connected in a network. Most of the banks today employs distributed system in their banks. An account holder in a bank can access his account or make transaction in it from any branch. The Unix operating system is an example of a distributed operating system. Now dear student, in the distributed operating system there are different types of computer are connected in a network and we can share their resources each other computer such like memories, file, database, application and devices are distributed among several computers connected in a network. Unix operating system is an example of distributed operating system. Unix operating system is the example of the distributed operating system. In this operating system, today a bank holder, a account holder in a bank can access his account or make transaction in it from any branches. A account holder in the bank today, in the bank, a account holder make transaction in any branches in the distributed operating system, and Unix is the example of the distributed operating system. All these are the types of the operating system. Now, dear student, if you have any types of problem in these topics, you can call this number. Now, thank you.